Welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to get random paragraph in MS Word. This is MS Word 2021 and this thing is applicable in every version of MS Word. So what we are going to do is first type whatever I'm typing. Like equal to sign, then RAND, then closing and opening and closing bracket, then you have to press enter. By default you will get 5 paragraph, but if you want 2 or 3 paragraph, it's very simple. The simple way to do it is uh, you have to do this thing, then you have to write RAND, and in between the brackets you have to write the number of paragraph you want. If you want two, then write two and then press the enter key. You will get only 2 paragraph. If you want one, then you write one. Thank you for watching.